We're 3D Control Systems. Our award-winning platform, 3DPrinterOS, provides full command and control for additive manufacturing. We're taking what used to be an activity for hobbyists and transforming it into a serious enterprise solution for logistics. Our software is secure, efficient, and easy, and we're using it to supply mission-critical parts, like our COVID-19 Link system that lets hospitals print PPE on demand. Our platform gives you control over the parts production process while enabling digital thread. It uses blockchain to secure part information and military-grade encryption to secure communications. Need a real-life example? Imagine a fighter plane breaks down in Afghanistan and you need a part there now. Rather than flying it across the world on another military plane, with 3DPrinterOS you can print that part at the nearest base. What's more, our military-approved encryption ensures that the blueprints and printer on location cannot be compromised. We guarantee the quality of the print and a safe and secure process you can trust. Google, Ford, and Microsoft are just a few companies who use 3DPrinterOS. We run the largest 3D printing network in the world at Duke University, and NASA and the US Navy are currently exploring our platform. We're ready to revolutionize the Air Force's maintenance. We have the ability to help you print on demand at the location of need. If streamlining processes on a proven, secure platform piques your interest, reach out to continue the conversation. We're excited to demonstrate our capabilities for you.